Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Stripe Radar for risky transactions. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Log in to your Stripe account. From the dashboard, navigate to the left sidebar. Click on the settings option located at the bottom of the sidebar. In the settings menu, look for the radar section. Click on radar. You will be directed to the radar settings page. Locate the Rules tab at the top of the page. Click on Rules to manage your fraud prevention settings. Here, you will see a list of existing rules. Find the rule related to risky transactions. This rule is often labeled as Block Fraudulent Payments. Click on the three dots next to this rule for more options. Select Edit from the drop-down menu. In the editing interface, you will find an option to disable the rule. Toggle the setting to turn off this specific rule. Save your changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom. You will receive a confirmation message indicating the rule has been disabled. Review your changes to ensure they are correct. You can monitor future transactions for any unwanted risks. If needed, you can always reactivate the rule later. That's it. You've successfully disabled Stripe Radar for risky transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.